Have you ever wondered how a piece of wood and wire creates music? It starts here. When you pluck a string, you create a vibration. But on its own, a string is actually very quiet. It's just a whisper. That whisper travels down the string to the bridge. This is the connector. The bridge takes that tiny vibration and drives it deeply into the wooden top of the guitar, shaking the entire body of the instrument. This is where the magic happens. Inside the hollow body, the air gets pushed and compressed by the shaking wood. It bounces around, amplifying the sound, turning that tiny whisper into a roar. Finally, that air shoots out of the sound hole as a sound wave, hitting your ears as a musical note. It's physics, but it feels like magic. See you next week at Melophonics Conservatory.